Hello everyone. First open your Telegram and open Rocky Rabbit bot. I wrote this address in the description. Tap on start. Tap on play. Choose your character type. You can use boy or girl. For example, I choose boy. And choose your language. For example, I choose English and tap on start. Now if you tap on this coin, you can gain more coin. And also if you tap on boosts, you can use your free daily boosters. Tap on it, tap on continue. If you tap on boosts again, you can tap on multi-tap, and if you give 2000 coin, your tap will be double. Tap on continue. As you see, every tap converts to double. Again, tap on boots, tap on energy limit, and you can give 2000 coin and increase your energy limit. Also, if you tap on earn, with daily task, you can earn more coins. Tap on strict days, tap on claim. As you see, we gain 1000 coin. Also, with task list, you can gain more coin. For example, you can invite your friends, join chat on Telegram, subscribe to YouTube channel, and select your sponsor or other social media of this bot. If you tap on select sponsor, tap on select, choose your sponsor. For example, I choose Toncoin. Again, tap on select sponsor and tap on check and get 5000 coin. Back. Now tap on mine. In this section, you can choose your type, for example, fighter, coach, tournament, and based on your coin, you can increase your level. For example, I choose first one and tap on pay and upgrade, and I upgrade my level. Tap on battle. Currently, battle is developed and as you see, right, coming soon. Tap on friends. Now if you invite your friends, you can get more coin. For example, if you invite a friend as a normal user, you can get 5000 coin. But if you invite a premium user, you will receive 25,000 coin. And also you can use more bounces and you can earn from leveling up your friends. And tap on airdrop, and if you connect your wallet to Toncoin, you can get more coin and you can withdraw your money. In another video, I'll show you how to connect your wallet. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.